Okay, I love V-flats, and my team and I use V-flats all the time. Now we've got these aperture lights. They're amazing lights, but we don't ever shine them directly on our subject. We reflect them off of V-flats. We use so many of them and we have to cart them up and down the stairs, but we're gonna make a whole bunch more, and I'm gonna show you as I make one. So I'll just grab 2 pieces of this foam core. I've got black on one side and white on the other side. Okay, so you have to turn one of them around so they face opposite directions. And these are quite big. We're talking 4 feet by 8 feet. But if you get them lined up, and if you've got white on the outsides, then we have to start with the white gaffer tape. I'm going to start with a few pieces just to hold it in place, but I'm eventually going to tape the whole thing. Okay, now that I've got a full hinge on one side, I can stand it up and open it up, but turn it inside out. And fold it back on itself. Okay, now I need the black gaffer tape. So you'll notice that when you fold it over, it kind of beads over. And when I first started making these, I would worry about it. Now I don't. It sorts itself out. You can just kind of put it in the middle. And as you fold these things back and forth, it figures it out. Okay, so now we actually have a functional V-flat, but because we move these things around all the time, all the edges I like to cover with gaff tape. I just use white on the inside in the middle seam, but the rest of the time I use black. So I'll just flip it over here, but do one edge at a time. So I'll do black that folds across here and black that folds down those sides. So that's how you make a V-flat. I've obviously got more work to do on this one. I'm going to be making 6 today.